In a technology-driven world where change is the only constant, outperforming the competition requires the confidence to relentlessly challenge the norms of the day.
I truly believe that now is the time to capitalize on the opportunities that we are seeing, to adopt the challenger mindset and outperform the competition with the agility and innovativeness of a young company. A client quote, which is my personal favorite, says it best. Bitwise presents us with technology solutions that introduce us to new ways of thinking.
Such confidence in us is overwhelming and has encouraged us to change the way in which we now approach the market. This confidence is really what is driving this evolution. We are much broader and agile in terms of the kinds of innovative solutions and services we bring to the market and stay relevant. And to do that, our brand has to be one that's passionate, that's collaborative, that's innovative, and most importantly, that's confident. We want our clients to understand that our brand is about client satisfaction, that Bitwisers are passionate about finding better and efficient solutions that help our clients connect to their business strategy.
Collaborating and engaging in our clients' success, Bitwisers have this great ability to quickly win client confidence. This confidence positions us to take on complex, high visibility and very demanding projects. Keeping projects in smooth execution course demands collaboration amongst multiple entities and not just project teams. The intent is to give client an experience that is set as a benchmark in project execution and quality of delivery. The faith and confidence our clients have posed in us to deliver is humbling yet very motivating. I am very proud to say we have delivered on this confidence on every single occasion.
Our culture, which we are so proud of, promotes an ownership attitude, creating passionate, agile and cohesive teams that align themselves to the client needs quickly. It is a culture that encourages one to challenge the status quo, a culture that thrives on passion to succeed. Selecting and mentoring new Bitwisers is a practice we have taken to a whole new level. And this is not just with technical competency, but also how aligned the individual is to becoming a complete Bitwiser. I think the sense of achievement of being selected seeds this passion to succeed.
Bitwisers have created this culture for themselves and they thrive in it. Our clients have often asked us, what makes Bitwisers so different, so much better than others? It is a different way of working and we and our clients feel the results are worth it. Being rated consistently above the competition for over 20 years and being acknowledged as one of the best is extremely satisfying and motivating.
Our refreshed brand now reflects who we are as a company. We are Bitwise. We do things differently, better, different, better, Bitwise.